Hi everyone, this is Monster's garden. Today we have a summer rain. It's been raining all evening and the garden, oh, butterfly, come on fella, come on, get on. Come on. There you go. Could be drinking. I think it's drinking. The garden looks lush from the rain. That's what it needed. And the kiwi fruit's just gone crazy, as you can see from inside the house. The last 24 hours has just gone berserk because of the rain. But yes, I need to go and pick some mint for my tea. Some mints. And some of these bad boys, so that way it tastes like lemon. But lemon, verbena lemon, sorry. And a couple of mint leaves. Anyways, if you're not subscribed to my channel, it only takes a second. It doesn't cost anyone anything. It would really help my channel to make more of these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you already have, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm getting rained on. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share or dislike. If you have any ideas you'd like to share with me about your garden or tips that you want to tell me, please comment below. Even if you don't like my videos, you're more than welcome to tell me that. But please subscribe. It would really, really help me. Thanks everyone for watching my video while I'm getting rained on.